Okay, here's how we make a T-chart in Desmos. First, we're going to hit ABC. We're going to choose the letter F. Doesn't really matter what letter we pick. We're just going to choose F. We're going to put f of x equals, and we're going to pick whatever number it is that we're trying to match up. I'm going to choose 120. Then I'm going to divide that by x. Now I'm going to make a table. I'm going to change this so that it says x. And then over here, I'm going to change this so that it says f of x. Now, the first time, I'm going to pick a number. And when I pick this number 1, it autofills the f of x value. Now I'm going to pick the number 2. And again, it's going to autofill. But now the calculator knows that my x values are going up by 1s. So when I push enter the third time, it's going to autofill both the x value and the y value for me. And now I can just keep pushing enter, 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 until I get whatever answer I'm looking for. Now, this T-chart is also reusable from problem to problem, because now if I want to do a different value that I'm looking for, if I'm trying to factor something else, I can choose a different number, and now my T-chart is already made for me. And